rings again. Here, look. Look. What's up there? What's up there? Oh, where'd it go? What's up there? Get it. How about the red one? Get it. There you go. Let me see. Let me see. There it is. Oh. Orange. What's on your head? Hey. Hey. How about the yellow ring? It's even bigger. Hey. How about on your leg? No. No, Papa. What's up there? Oh, you got it. Put this ring on your foot. No. No. Hey. Oh, Angry Bird. You found Red Bird. Oh, you threw him. Yes. Oh, it fell down. The orange ring. It's like your little crown. Prince Miles' crown. What's on your head? Hey! The big one. Big green one. Hey! It's like a hat. Hey! What's up there? What is that? Hey! Hey! What's Daddy doing? What is that? What is it? That's the red one. Hey! Green? Oi! Head dive. Nose dive. What are you doing, silly? What's up there? Hey! Where are you going? Over to mini Angry Birds? Hey! Your favorite, huh? Beanbag Angry Bird minis? Mm-hmm. There you go. Where are you going? For the drum? You gonna go get the drum? Get the drum. Here. Play the drum. Oh, you rolled it. Can you play it?